Good Friday morning. It's your Loudoun County Weather Outlook for April 4th, 2025. It's going to be a cloudy and rainy day on and off, but not a lot of rain in the rain that we get. We could see the thunderstorm as well. We need all the rain we can get. We just need more than what we're going to get, is what I think I would say. It's going to be kind of a cloudy and unsettled weekend in general. Better chances of rain today and on Sunday than tomorrow, but still cloudy and damp is going to be the rule here, as that front is just hung up in the area. A little bit of the easterly flow off the ocean, so it's not, completely warm as it could be, but nor as cold as it could be either. So it just depends on where this front kind of sets up for us. We will turn cooler next week, and you'll see that. So here we go through the day. You see that rain that initially will come through here. The radar is showing that's going to come. Not a lot, though, like I said. In here. Then tomorrow we have more chances of rain, maybe a few showers, possibly a thunderstorm, but more likely just showers of rain on and off. This area of the country is just getting soaked with so much rain. It's just really, really bad. I mean, once in a lifetime kind of a situation with the amount of rain that's going to fall in that area over the same areas day after day. Then finally, it kind of gets kicked out of there. We have a better chance of rain maybe early next week as a low kind of rides along the front. Hope that brings rain into our area, but we're really close to getting rain or no rain. It's just really hard to tell. It's more likely south and east of us. Then as we head into the future here, we see the cold air get kicked in finally as the front comes through. This high drops out of Canada. It's really chilly air and very windy, so by Tuesday, we see highs only in the mid and upper 40s. Nighttime lows will get into the 20s again, which is why vegetation will be a challenge that's been sprouting, and anything that's early that could be affected by cold temperatures is going to be a challenge and need to be covered. That cold air slowly erodes. Not saying it's perfectly eroded either, because we get this backdoor cold front. When you see these sagging isobars, it means colder winds are coming off the ocean. It's not quite as warm as it could be even into late next week. And then another low pressure system forms. This one is the one that looks like it could bring a lot more rain to us, and now is a little further south and east, which is not good because we need all the rain we can get. And after this, it really looks dry. It doesn't look coldish, it doesn't look super warm either, but this low will bring down a little bit more cold and windy conditions for us probably next weekend, but not as wet as it looked like at one point. And then slowly it tries to warm up. Still struggling to get that front to move through here really strongly. So it's not going to be super warm, but it looks at least seasonable. And then we'll have to see. I mean, this is way off in the future. Exactly how things pan out will be still up in the air. This definitely looks a little bit warmer, but not very wet at all. And then it looks like cold air tries to reassert itself later in the month. We're going to just have to see. This does not look like a wet pattern at all. Even though it will be damp the next couple days or several days, it does not look wet after that much at all. Total precipitation, if you were to just look at the model output for the region here, you see we're in this really big dry slot. The reason why it has so much more rain here is because that low that at one point was looking like it may visit us moves out. Now, yes, we may get an inch rain, but this is over a 15-day period. I mean, it's just not much rain, and some of that rain comes in the later frames, so it's just not looking good for us. Let's see what the Weather Prediction Center is showing for our neck of the woods. 368 hours. We'll go close to home. Sorry for the map clicking, but here it is. Yeah, very much for the next 7 days. Maybe an inch of rain. That's not terrible, but we just need more rain. Here is more rain to the south and, of course, northwest. We're in this drier slot here. It's just not good for us and what we need rain-wise in general. On Sunday, when we have a better chance of some showers and storms, we may be marginally be favorable for a severe storm. That's what this is showing here. No big risk here, just a note that we may see this. I suspect this could also bring a hail threat just from the colder air that's aloft in this situation, but most likely this is mainly a wind threat. And here's that cold air centered over us for the next 6 to 10 days. On the 8 to 14 days, you see it moves out. Like I said, it's not looking like a warm pattern, but not really chilly. And that's kind of what the models are showing here. Precip forecast in the short range, the 6 to 10 day, maybe because we get that moisture next week, we could see a little slightly above normal, I wouldn't count on it. It's not like a huge risk of wetter than conditions, but look beyond that. Equal chances or drier is kind of what we're trending towards, which is just not good. That's really all I have for this Friday. Have a good Friday, last day of the week, and a great weekend. Being your Loudoun Weather Outlook.